Doughnut has always been one of my favorite Nigerian snacks. Soft, sweet, and just so perfect. Today I'll be making mine from scratch. Just stay with me and let's learn together. I'll be using 2 cups of flour for this donut. You pour it in your sieve just to get away any dirt. Then I'll be using 2 tablespoons of sugar, half tablespoon of yeast. Then you mix it together and set it aside. That is our dry ingredient for this donut. You get a small bowl and put in room temperature water. If you don't want to get the measurement for the water, just use like 10 tablespoons of water. Then you put in 1 egg. Mix it together. That is what we need for our wet ingredient. You can transfer it into your mixer. Add in 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter after mixing for like 8 minutes. If you don't have a mixer, you knead with your hand for like 30 to 45 minutes. If you are mixing your dough with the mixer, mix for like 15 to 20 minutes. And your dough should be like this. It should be a little bit sticky, but not too sticky. Please, if you don't get this, that means you don't get the right consistency. Because I don't want my donut to be smaller or bigger than each other, I'll be using a scale, and I'm using 75 grams for each dough. You roll your dough out and you set it aside for like 45 to 1 hour to rise. While we're waiting for our donut to rise, let's make the milk part, which make it Milky donuts. We are using powdered milk and condensed milk only. Mix it together with your spoon or with your whisk, anyone that you have. This doesn't even take long at all. Cover with a cling film or any lid and set it aside or put it in your refrigerator. Now our donut is ready to fry. You see that it has even doubled in size. You can always test your oil by putting little flour. If the flour should form little bubble, that means the oil is ready. You can fry your donuts. But if the flour should sink, please, the oil is still cold. Please, immediately you put your donut in the oil, it must not sink. Your donut must always float on the oil. It must keep floating. I don't know how to put that in English. If your donut should sink, that means you've done something wrong. Your measurement is wrong. I can tell you the frying of this donut doesn't even take time at all. After like 5 to 10 minutes, you can turn your donut to the other side, because I love that white line in the middle. It always looks so pretty. Now our donut is ready. You can see how pretty it is. See that line? That is how your donut is supposed to look like. Now let's make the skincare for the donut. This is what we are using to rub the body of the donut. It's just powdered milk and sugar. You mix it together, then you put your donut in and just use it to rub the body. Use it to rub it very well. You do this while the donut is still warm. When your donut is totally cold, I mean totally cold, not even hot or warm at all, then you bring out this our Milky of a thing, then you put it in your piping nylon. We are putting this inside the donut. Inside the donut, you get a knife, make a hole, then you turn it. Just how I'm doing it like this. Just turn the knife inside the donut. Just the way I'm doing my own. So that's how you make the hole. Then you put the Milky inside. Put the milk mixture inside. One after the other. For 2 cups of flour for this donut, we get 5 pieces and 1 small piece. You can see it's not up to 6. You can always double the recipe or even triple. That means you can make like ×2, ×3 of this donut. That means you can make like 4 cups. If you are making 4 cups, you get like 11 pieces of these donuts. If you are making 6 cups, that means you'll be getting like 18 or 17 pieces. Now we are done with the filling of the donut. See how this donut is looking, so pretty. Now let's see what the inside look like, because that is very, very important. See the inside of this donut, so soft, so succulent. Please, that is how your donut should be looking inside. It should be done inside everything. Don't even allow it to soak in oil at all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment. Bye.